Using Apple Pay can be a convenient way to make transactions, and setting a default card can simplify the process even further. To get the most out of this feature, it is essential to understand when to use the Apple Pay default card. First, it is crucial to set up Apple Pay on your device by adding your credit or debit card information to the Wallet app. Once you have added multiple cards, you can select one as your default card. The default card is the one that will be used for transactions unless you specify otherwise. When to use the Apple Pay default card depends on your personal preferences and spending habits. If you have a card that offers the most rewards or cashback, it is best to set it as your default card. This way, you can maximize your benefits and earn more rewards on your daily transactions. Another scenario where the default card is useful is when you have a card with no foreign transaction fees. If you travel frequently, setting this card as your default can help you avoid additional charges on international transactions. It is also important to consider the interest rates and fees associated with each card. If you have a card with a lower interest rate, it may be beneficial to set it as your default card to minimize your finance charges. In addition to these scenarios, you can also use the default card for recurring transactions such as subscriptions or bills. This way, you can ensure that the payment is made on time and with the correct card. To change your default card, simply open the Wallet app, tap on the card you want to use as the default, and select the option to make it the default card. You can also do this in the Settings app under Wallet and Apple Pay. In conclusion, using the Apple Pay default card can help streamline your transactions and maximize your rewards. By understanding when to use the default card, you can make the most out of this feature and enjoy a more convenient and rewarding payment experience.